this is Chryse, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to share you how to make kimchi. Well, actually, kimchi is the bread and butter of South Korea. So if you're wondering how to make kimchi, come on and join me. I'll share you my secrets. First, you have to cut the cabbage lengthwise through the stem into quarters. Cut the cores from each piece and cut each quarter crosswise into 2-inch wide strips. Then place the cabbage in a large bowl and sprinkle with salt. Using your hands, massage the salt into the cabbage until it starts to soften a bit. Now you have to let it stand for 1 to 2 hours. And don't forget to rinse the cabbage under cold water 3 times. Meanwhile, you have to make a spice paste. Now add the garlic, ginger, sugar, and fish sauce, shrimp paste or water and stir into a smooth paste. Set aside until the cabbage is ready. Now you could chop radish, carrots, and spring onions. Gently squeeze any remaining water from the cabbage. And don't forget to add the spice paste, raddish, and scallions. Now this is what we call gochugaru. It is the chili powder made from Korea, which I used in making my kimchi. Now using your hands, gently work the paste into the vegetables until they are thoroughly coated. The gloves are optional here but highly recommended to protect your hands from stains, and smells. But of course, if you're not using gloves, you have to wash your hands properly. Actually, kimchi tastes better when placed in jars. So let the jar stand at cool room temperature out of direct sunlight for 1 to 5 days. And you may see bubbles inside the jar and wine may seep out of the lid. Check the kimchi once a day, opening the jar and pressing down on the vegetables with a clean finger or spoon to keep them submerged under the brine. So you have to taste it also. When the kimchi tastes ripe enough for your liking, transfer the jar into the refrigerator. You may eat it right away, but it's best after another week or 2. Did you know that kimchi is packed with nutrients while being low in calories? It contains probiotics and may also strengthen your immune system. It also reduces inflammation and slows aging. It also prevents yeast infections and may aid weight loss. So what are you waiting for? Grab yours! This is my homemade kimchi brought to you by Little Voss Kimchi. If you're interested, don't forget to drop by on our Facebook page. It's Little Voss Cuisine. So that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and press the bell button for more updates. So I'll see you again. Bye. Annyeong.